In a stunning collaboration between Tesla and battery expert Jeff Dahn, a groundbreaking advancement in battery technology has emerged, promising to revolutionize the electric vehicle industry. Say hello to the NMC 532 battery. Named after its unique composition of nickel, manganese, and cobalt in the cathode. This extraordinary battery has the potential to power an electric car for a staggering 4 million miles, or even 100 years. Not only does it possess exceptional longevity, but it also enhances thermal stability, safety, and enables lightning-fast charging. Already, Tesla has incorporated some of Dahn's battery innovations into their highly anticipated Cybertruck model. By switching from polycrystalline to single-crystal cathodes, the NMC 532 battery's lifespan has been significantly extended, allowing for nearly 2,000 charge cycles without any capacity loss. Another noteworthy change is the battery's composition, which cleverly swaps cobalt for a mixture of nickel and aluminum. This alteration not only reduces costs, but also eliminates the need for cobalt reserves and alleviates concerns regarding child labor. One of the most impressive features of the NMC 532 battery is its superior energy density when compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. This characteristic makes it particularly suitable for applications requiring smaller batteries with moderate power capacity. Moreover, this marvel of a battery can charge up to 90% capacity in a mere 12 minutes, showcasing its rapid charging capabilities. To meet the escalating demand for batteries, Tesla is ambitiously planning to expand its gigafactories, aiming for a remarkable production capacity of 40 gigawatt-hours per year. Additionally, the company is exploring the possibility of entering the lithium refining business to ensure a steady and ample supply of batteries for their electric vehicles and energy storage products. But that's not all. Alongside these remarkable battery advancements, Tesla has been making great strides with their highly anticipated Cybertruck. This electric pickup truck, slated for release in 2023, boasts a variety of captivating features, including a bullet-resistant body, a tonneau cover capable of supporting the weight of a person, and an impressive towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds. Tesla has been putting the Cybertruck to the test in California, and they've even shared tantalizing images of the vehicle's production progress at their gigafactory in Texas. In an exciting turn of events, leaked video footage confirms that the Cybertruck is currently in production at the gigafactory in Texas. This state-of-the-art facility is equipped with gigapresses, which happen to be the largest of their kind in the world, specifically designed for manufacturing the body parts of the Cybertruck. Tesla plans to deliver this awe-inspiring vehicle to eager consumers in the third quarter of this year. What else can we expect from the Cybertruck? Well, in addition to its striking design, it's anticipated to feature an adaptive air suspension system, rear-wheel steering, cutting-edge computer hardware, a revised yoke-style steering wheel, and even a single windshield wiper. Tesla has been reaching out to suppliers, providing subtle hints at an impressive annual production rate of nearly 400,000 vehicles. Their goal is to have Cybertruck release candidates ready by late August, with production commencing in early October. To summarize, the collaboration between Tesla and Jeff Dahn on the NMC 532 battery technology possesses the extraordinary potential to transform the electric vehicle industry. With its exceptional lifespan, rapid charging capabilities, and cost-effectiveness, the NMC 532 battery could very well change the way we power our electric vehicles. As Tesla continues to push boundaries and captivate us with innovations like the Cybertruck, they undoubtedly solidify their position as an industry leader in sustainable and groundbreaking technologies. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and as usual, thank you for staying curious.